Do you feel like you're not able to monetize and get clients with Instagram because your Instagram account is less than 10,000 or even 100,000 followers? Or maybe it's because you don't know how to attract high quality followers and then to turn those followers into clients, aka you don't know exactly how to sell on Instagram. And for you guys that have been following me for a while, you know that my journey as an entrepreneur has not been an easy one. And it wasn't until I was able to figure out exactly how to track an audience and most importantly, how to turn that audience into high paying clients that I was able to get out of the rut that I was in. Which is why myself and my company, Online CEOs, we pride ourselves and we focus 100% every single day to helping entrepreneurs and business owners just like yourself to grow their following online and most importantly, turn that followers into high paying clients. And that is why I'm so excited for this video because I'm about to share a story with you from one of our clients that started working with us with literally less than 1,000 followers, aka a very small audience on Instagram, and not making any money from it, and was able to grow it extremely quickly past the 100,000 follower mark, and most importantly, turn those followers into a ton of money and revenue for his business. And trust me, you will not believe how fast this happened because it literally happened in less than 90 days. His name is Rafael. When Rafael reached out for help to us, he was actually struggling to grow his following. He had less than 1,000 followers on his profile. It wasn't optimized and he wasn't making any money for his online business with it. He thought it was just a waste of time because he didn't know how to use it and he didn't know how to grow his following on there. But I want you to hear directly from him just after 3 months of starting working with him on how fast his following grew and where he's at.
Hey, Rafael here with my team, and this is a testimonial for Josue Pena, Josue Pena, however you say that in English. Josue took over Instagram 3 months ago, and in these 3 months, he's gotten our account from 1,000 followers to 15,000 followers in 3 months. So on top of that, we've also pushed quite a bit of sales from our Instagram account.
And as you can see, his following literally blew up to over 15,000 followers in just the first 3 months. Now, the coolest part is not just this, but what happened after. Because Rafael didn't just want to grow a big following, okay? He actually wanted to turn those followers into high-paying clients and customers for his online business. But he had no idea how to do it. So that is what we put our focus on, making sure that we got leads and high-ticket sales directly from Instagram. And we did it with what we call the Instagram conversion system that can be applied to any personal brand on Instagram. Now, here's the coolest part of it all. Literally just 7 days after implementing this exact thing, he literally did over $27,000, which is just absolutely insane. Now, here's the craziest part of it all. It didn't stop just there. Because over the next 30 days, this is what happened. He did over $42,000 in sales, and most importantly, he didn't implement every single strategy and thing that we had in the Instagram conversion system, which means he was just implementing less than half of it and still getting results. And this was with no ads, no website, no complex funnel or anything like that. But wait, there's more. Here are the results just 30 days after that, aka just 60 days after starting from zero. And in fact, I just want you directly to hear from him to see what he said.
Thank you, Josue. In the last 60 days, we've generated over 190 appointments on our system, and with everything that you taught us, and then we've sold $133,000 worth of our high-ticket programs to our customers, and they are getting results, and we're having a great time. And this wouldn't have been possible without your program. Thank you so much for this. You not only change our business and our lives by generating this $133,000 in 2 months, but also all our customers who are now getting results and getting sales. So thank you so much for this program. If anybody's thinking about it, they should definitely join.
That is absolutely mind-boggling crazy. Over $133,000 just by implementing the Instagram conversion system in the very first 60 days. For me, this is super cool and super awesome that we were able to help our client just hit those insane numbers. But here's something even cooler as well that happened simultaneously at the same time. He was able to take his following all the way to 130,000 followers in the same time frame. So in short, Rafael literally went from having less than 1,000 followers and not making any money at all from Instagram to now making over $130,000 in just 60 days, plus having over 133,000 followers on just his Instagram account alone, without funnels, without ads, without any something complex. And I actually just talked to him recently. Now he's making over $200,000 a month which means he's making over $2.4 million in just a single year. Now, money's cool and all, he's growing the business. That's something completely super awesome. He has been able to grow his brand, grow his business, and change his life completely forever. But most importantly, now he has a predictable system that works over and over and over again to grow his following on Instagram, get new leads, and most importantly, turn those followers and leads into high-paying clients. And because of it, Rafael is able to travel with his wife. Now, at the filming of this video, I think he's like doing some training for the Ironman or some triathlon, all while he has more free time and all while his business continues to grow. That is something that before wouldn't have been able to be possible unless he had been able to implement the Instagram conversion system that I've been talking to you about this. And before, this would not have been able to be possible for him unless he was able to implement the Instagram conversion system that I literally have been mentioned in this video. And this is why I'm so passionate about this stuff, because it was literally just a few years ago that I was trialing everything on the market, just seeing shiny objects after shiny objects and just trying to figure out what worked. And I remember struggling so freaking much without knowing where leads were coming from, without having a predictable system for it, without being able to get new paying clients to be able to pay just normal bills. I was simply spinning my wheels day in and day out in what literally felt an endless rat race without any hope. And for me right now, after being able to figure this stuff out, it is my mission to be able to help other entrepreneurs and business owners like yourself to use your personal brand on Instagram and turn it into a high cash paying machine, because it's the easiest and fastest way to elevate your income, your lifestyle, your impact, and most importantly, your life. So the question to you that I have today, would you like to have similar results just like Rafael had? Because honestly, it's not just Rafael. We literally have hundreds of other success stories and case studies just like this one, of other clients that we have helped scale to 6 and even 7 figures just utilizing Instagram. Like for example, Dave right here, who went from being a bartender to making now over $200,000 a month. Or Hansel right here, who was able to make over $11,000 in just 24 hours from one simple Instagram story video that took him 15 seconds to make. Or like Jonathan Montoya right here, who was able to quit his 9-to-5 as an engineer that he hated and was able to make over $10,000 in just 2 days. So if you would like to see if you're a good fit to work with us and see similar results just like hundreds of other clients have had in the past, there's gonna be a link down below right there. We'll jump one-on-one, explain how everything works step by step. And then at the end, if it makes sense and you're a good fit, we'll offer something that can help you turn your Instagram account into a high-paying machine, grow your following, and get high-ticket clients with it. So click the link below, book a time to chat, and just for doing that alone, I'm going to send you this complete book that's called Grow Your Gram. It literally breaks down everything step by step on how to grow your following, and most importantly, how to monetize it, how to grow your email list for your agency, and all those different things. It literally is 70 pages long. It's not some cookie cutter ebook, and I'm going to give it to you completely for free. So just click the link below, book a time to chat. I'll send this over to you, and we'll chat one-on-one on your free diagnosis session to see how we can help you. That way, you're not struggling for leads, you're not figuring out where your next client is going to come from, and you're able to grow your brand extremely quickly and most importantly, fast with guaranteed results. So click the link below, book a time to chat, and we'll see you inside.